it's Gilbite here, and after 22,000 miles, it's time to change my original Mazda wiper blades. So these have got to be about the easiest blades ever to replace. Right here. Try not to break your fingernail. Push that up, then slide it back and pull it out. Open your new ones. Now I did not get the Mazda ones. I maybe should have, but because they did last a long time. Now I don't use my wiper blades to clean my windshield, and I park in the garage most of the time, so mine doesn't get the wear that many do. Anyway, so on the new blade, squeeze here on each side, pull up, slide it in like so, slide it forward, push down, you're done. And in this case you got to move the safety check, but that tells you how long whether it needs replaced, allegedly. There you go. That's all there is to it. And I will put a link in the description for the blades that I used. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.